the city center on a very rainy day. This is Kampala, a part of Kampala. I cannot go far for the worry of my phone being stolen, but you can see there is corner house there. I am zooming in. There is also Gazaland and Park View Shopping Center. Yes. There is also construction going on there, as you can see. Yeah. The city is a little lighter after vendors being asked to leave. Yeah. And there, just in front of me, where you see Shopping Arcade, is the famous Chikubo Shopping Center. People in Kampala definitely know that place. Yeah, that's another part. I cannot walk around with my phone for fear of it being stolen, but that is a snippet of what Kampala looks like, especially on a rainy day. Yeah, if it wasn't raining, the activities would really be too much. And this is me trying to hide away from the rain. Yeah.